Alright. Alright. Oh man, it does have a... There's what we did. Filled in all the holes. And I think I did a pretty good job. Didn't need to grind anything off, so now we're going to reinstall it and see what happens. Oh, you feel that? Feel how tight that bad boy got. And that's enough to send it. Hey. I told you.
She's moving. Uh-oh, something broke. Guys, well, that was pretty exciting there, first test run. So we're gonna start with upgrading the brakes, new motor slow carb, and in the next video here find out how we put the paint here on the wood stove. So if you like this build and the other ones we do here, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned and up to date. Talk to you later, guys. Peace.